Hi everyone, welcome to a fresh episode to start up a warmer lesson in English. Today, you will learn the basic types of multimedia resources, but before we continue, let's discuss first the different types of text. Your knowledge of text types is needed in the succeeding discussions. The first example of factual text is recount. This includes journal, diary, newspaper article, historical recount, letter, log, and timeline. The purpose of recount is to retell a series of events. The second example is the procedure. This includes instruction, recipe, and direction. The purpose of procedure is to instruct someone on how to do something. The third example is the explanation. This includes scientific writing and the spoken presentation. The purpose of explanation is to explain how or why something occurs. And the fourth one is the description. This includes observation, speech, and analysis. The purpose of description is to describe the characteristics or features of a thing or a phenomenon. Now that you already have a background on the different text types, you may now focus on the basic types of multimedia resources, which will be used later in presenting different text types. You need to remember these types of multimedia in giving information. Now, what is multimedia? Multimedia means that computer information can be presented through audio, video, and animation in addition to traditional media. It is a sequential or simultaneous use of a variety of media formats in a given presentation or self-study. The word multimedia comes from two Latin roots, multi and media. Multi means several or many, and media means in the middle. This multimedia definition tells us that materials on the internet or in your school and business presentations involve several forms of communication to connect, that is, to be in the middle of the sender and receiver. So what are the basic types of multimedia? The first one is text materials. These are important components used in written explanation to deliver information in many multimedia applications. They are characters used to create words, sentences, and paragraphs. The example of text material is hypertext. The second one is the graphics or photographs. These digital representations of non-text information such as a drawing, chart, or photograph. They gives ideas in the images with the help of memory and one of the oldest form of media. The example of graphics and photographs is the JPEG. The third type of multimedia is the sound or audio. This is any spoken explanation that stimulates imagination and can be added and combined with all types of media. The example is MP4. The fourth type is the video presentations. These include clip or full videos that show information. They are a collection of moving pictures combined with audio files. The examples are MP4, MOV, and AVI files. The last type of multimedia is the forms of animation, flipping through a series of still images. It is a series of graphics that create an illusion or motion to display pieces of information with moving or still images and easily transferable. The example is the graphic image file or the GIF. There are several advantages and disadvantages of using multimedia. The first advantage is it is user-friendly. Doesn't take much energy out of the users in the sense that you can sit and watch the presentation, read the text, and hear the audio. The second advantage is it is multi-sensoral. It uses a lot of the user senses while making use of multimedia. For example, hearing, seeing, and talking. The third advantage is integrated and interactive. All the different mediums are integrated through the digitalization process. Interactivity is heightened by the possibility of easy feedback. The fourth one is it is flexible. Being digital, this media can easily be changed to fit different situations and audiences. And the last one, it is used for a wide variety of audiences. It can be used by various audiences ranging from one person to a whole group. Let us look onto the disadvantages of using multimedia. The first one is the information overload. Because it is so easy to use, it can contain too much information at once. It takes time to compile. Even though it is flexible, it takes time to put original draft together. The third one, it can be expensive. Multimedia makes use of a wide range of resources which can cost you a large amount of money. And the last one, too much makes it impractical. Large files like video and audio need large storage. Adding too much can mean that you have to use a computer with huge storage capacity to store the files. I hope this helps. Thanks for watching. See you again on our next episode. Bye!